Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're diving into 20 incredible tools you can easily find online, each designed to make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Elikliv Laser Level 360. The Elikliv 360-degree laser level is a precise and durable tool for leveling and alignment. It projects two 360-degree horizontal and two 360-degree vertical green laser lines, using a high-quality sharp laser for bright, stable visibility, even in moderate daylight. The device features a metal cover, TPR inner shell, and rubber exterior on a sturdy metal base, with a cushioned tool case for protection. KingTool Home Repair Toolkit. The KingTool Home Repair Toolkit is a comprehensive 325-piece set designed for a wide range of home repairs and DIY projects. It comes in a durable plastic one-drawer storage box with independent sliding drawers, featuring molded compartments to keep each tool organized and protected. Made from high-quality steel with heat-treated chrome finishes and TPR handles, the tools are corrosion-resistant and comfortable to grip. Folding Work Table. The folding work table sets up in 30 seconds with no assembly. Its sturdy surface supports 1,000 pounds, with 12-inch clamps mountable horizontally or vertically for heavy-duty tasks. Ideal for miter saws, woodworking, and more, it features a quick fold system for fast setup, storage, and transport. Oil-tanned leather framing rig. The oil-tanned leather framing rig from OX Tools combines comfort, durability, and ergonomics for professional use. The leather-padded suspenders feature heavy-duty nylon with foam support for added comfort on the job. The tool belt, pouches, and suspenders are reinforced with heavy-duty rivets at stress points to reduce wear and tear. A 3-inch tool belt integrates the components, enhancing support and ergonomics for extended wear. 13-inch vinyl plank cutter. The 13-inch vinyl plank cutter handles planks up to 13 inches wide and 13 millimeters thick, cutting at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, or 45 degrees. Made from aluminum alloy and HDPE, it works manually. No noise, dust, or power needed. Safety features include a chain brake bar and protective cover. Cabinet Jack Support Pole. The WorkPro Cabinet Jack Support Pole holds up to 154 pounds and extends 54 to 114 inches for lifting, bracing, or supporting materials. Ideal for cabinets, drywall, molding, and doors, it features a rotating head with iron pads plus larger, non-slip PVC pads, offering 360-degree rotation and 45-degree tilt for flexible positioning. LED work light. The LED work light features independent waterproof switches for single or double lamp operation, with each lamp producing 5,000 lumens of bright 5,000 Kelvin white light. Using 84 high-efficiency ACSMD LEDs per lamp, it delivers sunlight bright illumination while consuming less power and generating minimal heat compared to halogen bulbs. Wave Plus. The Wave Plus multi-tool from Leatherman is a versatile, pocket-sized tool designed for everyday carry and a wide range of tasks. Engineered in Portland, Oregon, and backed by a 25-year warranty, it is built to last a lifetime. Weighing just 8.5 ounces, it is ideal for household repairs, DIY projects, gardening, and outdoor adventures. The tool includes a saw, spring-action scissors, ruler, and more, empowering users to tackle any project. Concete Vibarating Tool. The Concete vibrating tool, powered by a 21-volt 2,500 milliamp-hour battery with digital display, ensures efficient concrete consolidation. Its 5-foot durable rubber shaft delivers consistent vibration to remove air bubbles, producing a smooth, professional finish. Flexible, durable, and easy to monitor, it's built for reliable performance. 60-inch Round Handle Demolition Bar. The 60-inch Round Handle Demolition Bar, made from high-strength steel, rips, pries, pulls, and straddles materials with ease. Wheels make flooring, deck, and roof removal effortless. Serving as pry bar, demo bar, pallet buster, and wrecking bar, it cuts demolition time by 50 to 70% while staying lightweight yet powerful. Impact Socket Set. The Impact Socket Set is a 43-piece, 1/2-inch drive tool set crafted from premium CRMO alloy steel for exceptional impact resistance and durability. Vacuum heat treated for a polished, long-lasting surface, It is built to withstand demanding operational environments. The hexagonal drive design delivers high torque performance, reducing pressure on fasteners and preventing bolt rounding or stripping. GRABO Suction Lifter. The GRABO Suction Lifter is a powerful and versatile tool designed to lift heavy materials with a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds. It works efficiently on a wide range of non-porous and semi-porous surfaces, including rough textures. Equipped with a built-in pressure sensor, it maintains vacuum suction automatically, while a bright LED control screen and digital pressure gauge display load capacity in operational mode. Crimping Tool. The crimping tool, with a durable aluminum alloy body, prevents oil leaks and fits 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch copper pipes. A rotatable head allows versatile positioning, while its ergonomic grip reduces fatigue. Compact and portable, it's ideal for plumbers and DIYers alike, ensuring long-lasting, reliable performance. Orange Bolt Template Tool. The Orange Bolt Template Tool is a reusable template designed for standard 24-inch round forming tubes, featuring a black X-tender adapter to fit 25-inch outer tubes. It can hold up to 4 anchor bolts with a maximum diameter of 1 inch, and the bolt circle measurements, ranging from 7 inches to 14 inches, are clearly engraved directly on the tool for precise placement. Grout Cleaning Machine. The grout cleaning machine is a powerful electric tool designed to deep clean grout lines on kitchen, bathroom, and tile floors, restoring them to a bright, clean appearance. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic stand-up design make it easy to maneuver and operate without kneeling or bending over, allowing for comfortable, extended cleaning sessions. Cable Tester Kit. The Cable Tester Kit tests terminated cables and patch cords, showing clear wire maps on a backlit LCD. It detects open, short, miswire, split pair, crossover, and shield faults. Included tools strip, crimp, and cut wires, while Klein's pass-through RJ45 connectors enable fast, secure terminations with minimal prep. Strut Spring Compressor Tool. The Strut Spring Compressor Tool is a versatile, interchangeable tool designed for BMW and Mercedes-Benz vehicles, perfect for McPherson shock absorber, spring assembly, and disassembly. Forged from high-quality steel, it offers 3 adjustable configurations for springs ranging from 65 to 212 millimeters, ensuring robust and stable performance. The compressor's jaws feature a safety lip to securely lock springs during use, enhancing operator safety. Park Tool Shop Inflator. The Park Tool Inflator quickly pumps any bike tire, ideal for shops, events, and seating tubeless MTB and fat tires. It has a dual-sided head for Presta and Schrader valves, rotating 360 degrees, a built-in 0 to 160 psi gauge with protective boot, and a lightweight ergonomic body with a hanging hook. 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. The A10 Pro is a versatile measuring tool that combines a 9.8-foot traditional tape measure with a 165-foot laser distance measure, allowing seamless switching between the two for both indoor and outdoor applications. Its 1.47-inch IPS color display with 500 nit adjustable brightness clearly shows tape and laser measurements simultaneously, even in bright sunlight. Electric Cardboard Cutter. The Boxblade electric cardboard cutter delivers smooth, precise cuts with its high-torque motor and rapidly vibrating blade, making quick work of even the thickest boxes. Its hidden blade design enhances safety by reducing the risk of accidental cuts, while dual rechargeable batteries ensure long-lasting performance. That wraps up our look at 20 tools you can get right now to upgrade your toolbox. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our latest tool discoveries. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters, and we'll see you in the next video.